Good morning, students. Today I am going to start your new lesson in English grammar. Chapter number 8, Adjectives and kinds of adjective. So let us start the chapter. What is an adjective? A word that are used to describe as a noun or pronoun are called adjectives. Let us see some examples of adjectives. They lived in a beautiful house. Ram is a good boy. I am a smart boy. Camel has short tails. Yash is a rich man. Here, beautiful, good, smart, short, rich are the adjectives in the sentences which is used to describe as a noun, and that is called adjectives. Next, we will talk about kinds of adjective. In that, adjectives are classified into 8 types: adjectives of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of numbers, demonstrative adjectives, distributive adjectives, interrogative adjectives, possessive adjectives, and proper adjectives. So first we will talk about adjectives of quality. Such adjectives of quality shows the kinds of person or thing. Even we can say that adjective of quality describes a person or a thing. They are also called descriptive adjectives. Let us see the examples. I am an intelligent boy in my class. Mumbai is a large city. My brother has brought a white car. And important point that adjective of quality answers the question by asking a question formation by with the help of what kind of. Adjective of quantity. Adjective of quantity describes the quantity of its noun or pronoun. Some, many, so, all, little, much, whole, few, etc. are the words are used in adjective of quantity. Let us see the example. I ate some rice. He has much money. There is a little milk in the kettle. He has lost all his wealth. So, some, much, little, all are the words which we are using in the adjective of quantity. And note, students, an adjective of quality answers the question by asking a question of how much. Next, adjective of number. Adjective which tells us how many persons or things are meant or in what way or order of person or things stands are called adjective of numbers. Adjective of numbers are divided into two parts. One is definite number of adjective and second is indefinite number of adjective. In that, let us see first definite a number of adjective that denotes the exact number as 1, 2, 3, 4 that are called ordinal adjectives. Let us see the example. I have 2 cats in my home. I got first position in my class. There are 4 books in my bag. Here, like first, second, four are the numbers which shows the exact number of the adjectives in the sentences that are called ordinal adjectives, which shows the order, or we can say sequence of the exact number. Next is indefinite numerical adjectives, which denotes an exact number. Sorry, it is being some mistaken, which shows does not have an exact number, like the words are used all, so, many, some, any, certain, few, etc. are the words which we are using in this sentence. There are many students. Here, many is the word which we are using in indefinite number of adjectives. Note students adjective of numbers in answering the question by how many. Next, we will talk about demonstrative adjectives. Demonstrative adjectives are the point out the point noun or pronoun in a sentences, or we can say it point out which person or thing or place mean to be. Next, we have the words which we are using in demonstrative adjectives are like this, that, these, those, such, same are the words which we are using in demonstrative adjectives. Let us see the example. This boy is taller than Hitesh. This trunk is very heavy. In this both the sentences you can see that we had used these and word in the demonstrative adjective example, and here we can say this, that this boy is taller than Hitesh and his trunk is very heavy. Next we will see the example. We don't like such song. Here such word is demonstrative adjective. These shoes are for sale. That girl is very sincere. So here the words like these, such, these, that are the words are demonstrative adjectives. And remember students, demonstrative adjectives answer the question by asking which. Next we will talk about demonstrative adjectives, which shows the person or thing at a thing are taken at one time, or we can say it point out the things separately. Let us see the exam words which we are using in the demonstrative adjectives: each, every, neither, or either. Here each student was singing on the stage. My mother cooks very tasty food every day. Here each and every is the words which we are using in distributive adjectives. Next, interrogative adjectives used with the noun to ask a question. Let us see what are the words which we are using in interrogative adjectives: whose, which, what. For example, whose book is this? Which fruit do you like most? Now, possessive adjectives. Possessive adjective means that shows the possession or the ownership on the particular thing, which is called possessive adjective. Let us to see the words which we are using. His, her, their, your, our, my, his, and its are the words which we are using in possessive adjective. Example, I like your hat. This is my pen. This is her book. Here, your, my, her are the words which we are using as possessive adjective in these sentences. Now, proper adjectives. Proper adjectives are basically belongs to the proper noun. They had also started with the capital letters whenever we used in the sentences. For example, Indian, American, Asia, Canada, etc. The words. An example, he is an Indian soldier. I enjoyed the French food. My friends is an American. So here the words American, French and Indian are the proper adjective in the sentences. Thank you, students.